It's not an easy job for Will either, replacing most of the wooden beams on a derelict ferry house.
That fits. Lovely. There's some excess adhesive around the edge, but I'm going to wipe that off. I've made sure that I've got enough on there that no water can really get into those nooks and crannies. I've also used cedar wood, which is fantastic for outdoors and construction. The longer pieces fit in quite well. There's all these curved pieces which are quite hard to get right. I kind of offer it up, and any part that's rubbing against the concrete, I know that I need to sand it away. So I can see at the top here, it's slightly catching. And mark that with a pencil. And then I know that I need to sand that area. Well, that's a really nice fit there. Once I've replaced the last few pieces, I can then get a light sand and stain them that really nice black colour. As soon as that's dried, over to kitchen.